Oh my gosh, wholly new product alert.
This is my I'm scoring at Dollar Tree dance.
Hey guys, friends don't let friends pay retail. Today we're going into Dollar Tree. We are decorating with Pottery Barn style on a $1 budget. Let's do it. Hold on, back this train up. This all started in the higher end stores where when I was shopping, I had total sticker shock. $35? No way. $6.99 a sprig? No thank you. Everything's so beautiful, but let's be honest, I would never spend $50 for something I could make for 10 in 5 minutes. So I love getting inspired in these stores, but not actually paying retail price. I also noticed when I was shopping there were tons of bunny tushes. They're super cute and I definitely want them in my house, but I am not paying retail. So let's head back to my favorite stomping grounds, the Dollar Tree. So here is my secret. Before I come to Dollar Tree, I look at a bunch of high-end inspiration, so then I can find the trends and see how I can replicate that using Dollar Tree items. Some of these are super cute. And bunny butts. You always love the bunny butts. I love these wooden signs. That would be super easy to do a DIY with. They've got lots of wood things. These are $1 a sprig, so much better. These wreaths are new and you could totally do something super cool with them. I love how natural they are, and they have the wreath forms and 3D wire wreath forms. This is gonna make the coolest DIY with some of the florals. I'm so excited about this. In the garden section, they also have plant hangers. And just like that, you can put your plants in. Super cute. 2 terracotta pots in the larger size for $1. That would be really great to copy that DIY. These are also great inside a balsa wood box. There's tons of new finds this year, and what I love the most is taking items and using them in unexpected ways, and I can't wait to show you guys in this vlog. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Bunny tails? Bunny butts. Some of these finds are incredible in the crafters corner. Some of the stores are starting to get these. Let me show you some of my favorite. They have all types of chalkboard tags. Some of these are super, super cute. All these like DIY picture frames and mini boxes. You could do tons of DIYs with these. You guys, they have chalkboard paint. What? That's awesome. I have to set you on the shelf right now. Okay, mercury glass candle holders are totally trendy. Check these out. These are beautiful. Love this. So this is where you want to get that high-end eye at the rock bottom price. Check this out. I just saw plates like this at Pottery Barn. They are gorgeous. And hold on, taking you over here. There's these plates too, the matching larger ones. This would make a gorgeous place setting. Holy bonanzas, let me show you this. Y'all, I am cleaning up today. These are gorgeous. Holy cow, these look really high end. Yes, you guys, this is my scoring in Dollar Tree dance. Check it out. These gorgeous bins. I love them. I've never seen this color before. They have the gray too and the die cut pattern. Projects galore. This shopping trip was a definite success. Lots of new items that are really high quality that make some amazing DIYs. I came home with some amazing scores. I'm so excited to get started on these DIYs. Some of my favorites were the labels for organizing projects, the metal wreath forms, including this round orb, and of course, all the super cute bunnies. Lots of these are beautiful just as they are, no DIY needed. And can we talk about these succulents for a minute? They are so beautiful, along with the lavender sprigs and the mercury glass. And here are some DIYs you have to try. Now what I did was grab some lavender, a wood box that I made, and some hurricane vases. I stuck these inside to copy exactly what I saw at Kirkland's at a fraction of the price. I did this in just a couple of minutes with the white linen candles from Dollar Tree. And if I do say so myself, I think my version looks even better than the Kirkland's one. No shade to Kirkland's, we love you, but Dollar Tree, definitely where it's at. And then there was this bunny with the really goofy face. I put him face down on an old pillow and hot glued it to the outside. This bunny butt is exactly like what you'd see at Pottery Barn. Then I decided to make the wreath that I saw at Target. I took the form and added some Dollar Tree moss to it, and then 3 packs of eggs. I was able to put this together in about 5 minutes. Target's selling this for $20 and we made it for under $5. So easy and so beautiful. You don't have to spend a lot to have Pottery Barn style in your home. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these easy DIYs and shop with me. I totally cleaned up in this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I've got tons of DIYs coming, and you subscribe because I do not want you to miss any of them. Because don't forget, you have to see what happens with the bunny butts. Subscribe, I'll see you there, bye. Yeah, we got all our stuff. He might drive away with the van, but. Oh, yep. Thank you, Owen. Oh my gosh, Becky. Have you seen the bunny butts? They are so cute. Save me from myself.